All right, we are continuing to work in the African Goddess Rising Oracle deck today. And the card that I pulled is Iazan or Iazan. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but it means miracles. And this is a woman. She is beautiful. She is all in all white. She looks amazing. Here you go. All right, so I'm going to read what this one says. You are a magnet for miracles. You are a miracle. So say, I am a miracle. Can you say that? All right. What if you truly allowed yourself to believe all things are possible? Dare to dream bigger. You claim you claim you want miracles, but you take an I'll believe it when I see it approach to things. What if you will see it after you believe it? How about that? You know, and I'm just going to stop right there. You know, when you have the attitude that you have to believe, you have to see everything first, it's going to be that much harder for you to have your success, because you first have to see it in your mind's eye. You have to believe it. You have to believe with every cell, in every cell of your body, that you're going to have what it is that you desire. You have to believe in the miracle. You have to release the doubt. You know, if you are that person that has to, like from the show me state, you have to show me first, you're going to have to reprogram your mind in order to have the success that you desire. But I'm not going to go too much deeper than that. I believe in miracles. I am a miracle. Thank you for watching. Before we close, I want to invite you to join us in exploring the female divinity system using the African Goddess Initiation Manual by Abiola Abrams. We're looking for women who desire to awaken their goddess energies so that they can learn how to love themselves the most, so they can spread their magic all over the planet, so they can manifest the prosperity that is theirs by divine right, and so that they can move on this journey of theirs with ease and on purpose. The goddesses must be awakened. So if you're ready to elevate your life and you want to be a part of this mission, look in the description box or in the profile section and find the link to our sister circle and meet us on the other side.